Good Sunday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. I wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on currently around the county with the weather and what we can expect as we go through the next few days. So taking a quick look at the radar, you can see here's Beta off the Louisiana coastline there, and it's still continuing to pump in rain into Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, Alabama, even some into Florida. There's a few isolated showers off in Georgia and then some off the coast of South Carolina. Beta, as we continue to go through the next few days, is just going to continue to meander right around this Gulf Coast area, and it's going to pump in as much as 20 inches of rainfall for some of these areas. So we need to continue to keep those folks in our thoughts and prayers as they head through the next few days, as they continue to just get pounded by tropical storms and hurricanes and you name it, it's happening down there. As far as the drivers for our area, what we've got going on is there is a cold front that is making its way through the area, and it's kind of right in here for now, and we'll continue to see that cold front move through the area today and tomorrow, and it's going to bring us even more cooler air for temperatures, especially during the day and at night. The nighttime temperatures are going to be the big ones. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that. What's keeping us dry is there's basically a ridge of high pressure, and it's pretty much filling in this area right through here. You basically can see where the rain ends is where the cold front, or I'm sorry, where the high pressure kind of begins. That high pressure system is going to weaken after the cold front moves through, and we will start to see more average temperatures back in the county and around the area as we get to the end of the week. So we'll certainly keep you updated on that as we go through the next few days. Let's go ahead and turn the radar off and get back to where we are locally so we can talk about what the current temperatures are outside right now and get you updated on that. So you can see we've got 40s for most of the area. Down into South Carolina, we've got 50s off to our south and east, and we've got some 30s up in the mountains around Boone and Blowing Rock and places like that. We'll see those temperatures continue to start to rise as we go through the day, be much like yesterday, to where we had highs in the 60s. The lows tonight are going to be the kicker for us. But let's go ahead and take a look at the models and what they're showing and what we can expect as we go through the day. Again, just looking at temperatures, because that's going to be the big deal for us really today and over the next few days. The rain chances are zero, as high pressure, as I said, is in place, keeping us nice and dry. So we've got currently, this is 7 a.m. with the models. You see temperatures in the 40s. We get to 10 a.m. and we've got temperatures continuing to be, or these are in the 50s now. We've got 60s starting to creep in around us as well. By 1 p.m., we've got temperatures in the 60s for most of the state, some 70s off to our south and east. As we head into the 4 p.m. hour this afternoon, continue to see 60s. There's some 50s creeping back into the mountain areas. As we get to 7 p.m. tonight, we're back in the 50s. You can see the 40s for most of the mountains and foothills. By 10 p.m. tonight, we're now at in the low 50s with some 40s starting to creep into the area, getting close to the Cleveland area and northwest Rowan County. By 1 a.m., we are now back into the 40s. You can see some 30s back into the mountains, 50s to the south and east of us. And then this is now 4 a.m. in the morning and still in the 40s with 30s really filling in a lot of the mountain areas. And then by 7 a.m., we continue to be in the 40s to around, I'd say about 44, 45 degrees in Salisbury by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the impacts are for us as we go through the next couple of days here, really with today and then the 5-day forecast. We'll start off with the weather impacts for today. We'll see sunny skies throughout the day today. Winds out of the northeast pumping cool fall-like air in. We could see some wind gusts in the mid-20s to around 25 miles per hour, and then clear skies tonight. So if you're a stargazer, it'll be a good night to get outside and take a look at what's going on with the stars. For the 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, you can give them a call, 704-857-5684, or visit them online at www.sasloop.com. I mentioned that you saw the forecast and that they sponsor it. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. So today we'll see sunny skies with a high of 67, low of 46. On Monday, sunny skies, 67 for the high, and lows in the low 40s to around 43. We could even see some upper 30s in some areas around the county. We'll keep an eye on that, but it would not surprise me if somebody hits 38, 39 degrees for lows really going into Tuesday morning. And then on Tuesday, might as well start off cool, right? It's the first day of fall. Fall begins on Tuesday with sunny skies, high of 70. We'll see partly cloudy skies Tuesday evening with a low of 49. And then as we head to Wednesday and Thursday, temperatures become more average around the county as that high pressure weakens and the cold front has made its way through. We'll see a high of 77 on Wednesday, partly cloudy skies Wednesday night with a low of 52. And then on Thursday, partly sunny skies with a high of 76. Increasing clouds Thursday evening with a low of 56. The good news is we continue to stay dry, and it looks that way for really most of the week. So wanted to touch base real quickly on the census that's coming to an end, or your chances of completing that are coming to an end by September the 30th. And I know a lot of folks are really on the fence as to why they should do this. And the big thing is it gives the county funding. It gives local communities funding, and that's for a 10-year period. So if you don't complete your census, you can actually be losing things around your area, like positions for fire departments, EMS, as well as police. I mean, sheriff's deputies, you name it. So depending on where you live, this could have a 10-year impact on you if you don't complete the census. It's easy to do. You can complete it by visiting www.my2020census.gov. You can call 844-330-2020. It takes about 10 minutes or less to do it. I did it, and it really is around 10 minutes. It's pretty quick. Another thing that the census does for you is I don't know if you watch any of these shows where you see where folks go back and they trace their family history, their lineage, and you're able to find a lot of that information out through the census to find out some folks you may not have known you were related to, but because of the fact that they took the census over the centuries and decades that they've been going on. So again, take time to complete that, because by September the 30th, those chances come to an end. Again, it takes about 10 minutes to take care of 10 years of difference in our community. So please take time to do that. We'll, of course, continue to keep you updated on the weather. You can check us out throughout the day on our website at RowanCountyWeather.com. Share that with folks who may not utilize social media. I know some folks don't like social media, so it's a good opportunity for them to get their weather from us. If you do like social media, though, you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Follow us on all of those platforms. And then you can also watch us on WSRG TV in Salisbury. You can check that out on Hotwire as well as Spectrum. So please continue to check us out there. We'll continue to keep you updated on the weather. And as always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather, and enjoy your Sunday, everybody.